Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. Which of the following pairs represents the strongest acid and strongest base that can exist in water? And following options are given to us. So let us see the key concept of this question first. इस question का key concept है strong acid and base in water. Strong acid and base in water. जो हमारे पास water है that is the H2O and water is a weak electrolyte. It is a weak electrolyte. Now let us see कि water के लिए जो strongest acid और strongest base होगा from the given option, what will be that? To find this, जो strongest acid होगा that can exist in the electrolyte water, that should be conjugate acid of the water, and the strongest base of the water should be conjugate base of the water. For this we should know conjugate acid और conjugate base क्या होते हैं. So conjugate acid are those which contains one more hydrogen than base, which contain one more hydrogen than base, whereas conjugate base होता है which contains one less hydrogen than acid. Let us understand more by the example. जो हमारे पास H2O होगा, this is H2O. अगर हम इसमें H पॉजिटिव ऐड कर दें, एट दैट टाइम H पॉजिटिव ऐड हो रहा है, विच मीन्स जो हमारे पास वाटर है वो एक बेस की तरह काम कर रहा है एंड it will leads to the formation of H3O positive, which is a conjugate acid. And if H positive is released from the water, OH negative plus H positive, जो compound H positive release कर देते हैं, that acts as the acid, and जो corresponding H positive lose करके हमारे पास form होगा, that will be the conjugate base. So water के रिस्पेक्ट में जो strongest acid होगा that should be conjugate acid, and water के रिस्पेक्ट में जो strongest base होगा that should be conjugate base, OH negative. So by this we can say जो हमारा option number A है that will remain the final answer of this question. Option A, H3O positive and OH negative. जो option B, C and D है that are incorrect with respect to the water. Hope the solution was understandable. Thank you.